Hi, my name is Henry. I'm the CEO of Aqua Corporation. I will do backpack, cooler bags, and traveler bags. Our factory is located in Ho Chi Minh City with 100 workers. Our strength is fast drug development and fast delivery. We can develop drug for 3 days and produce for 14 days. Send us your tech bags or physical samples and we will consider if we can produce. Contact us via our website aqua.net. Have a great day and welcome to Vietnam.
Hi, my name is Chris Walker, a Vietnam sourcing expert based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam with 15 years of experience helping people find the right factories fast. I recommend Art Square if you're looking to do small quantity backpack or bag manufacturing and you need help with design and development.